Hey guys! Today we are glad to have received a silver play button from YouTube. We had to wait more than 1 minute before and finally it was on our hands. It's so wonderful to see it here. Now we will open it up. You can see this is a Channel Wearex. Oh, so beautiful, right? Wow, this is the letter from the YouTube. You have just done something very few YouTube creators accomplished. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we have you download the size of the reality beside the 6 digits milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel was touched by what you did. They were inspired or challenged or entertained. You made it to this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and chances are a healthy sense of humor. What you have accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we like to recognize you and all your hard work with this silver play button, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have the drive to create and share, and because you have far an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you are closer than you think, and we are rooting for you. Congratulations, sincerely. As you can see, that's the CEO of the YouTube. It's so amazing, everybody. Wow! Extremely, very beautiful. I can't express my feeling now. That's my hard working time for the burden. So thank you for your supporting for Wearex channel during the past, and we're looking forward to receive the big feedback from you to further development. Once again, we have to say that thank you very much for helping me to get this button.